Okay, another unscripted video about old technology. I got this one at a estate sale for $1. It was broken. They have a battery pack in the back which you maybe cannot buy nowadays. That device is like 50 years old and it still works fine. I actually use it all the time. Well, of course I could use my smartphone or something else, but it's just the sheer, how should I say, beauty of that old technology, to be honest. I like that old display. It has all the functions, but most important, that's why I want to talk about this one in that little video. This device is almost like 50 years old. I could repair it on my own. I did not even have to buy a battery pack. You just need a soldering iron, some shrink hose, and 2 AA batteries, and then you can repair this one on your own. And what I'm trying to say, new technology you cannot repair. Once it's broken, it's gone. It's hard to find a repair shop for things like that. We just throw it away, and these old machines, they still functioning after 50 years. I'm not saying that they are better, but they were maybe a little bit more sustainable like stuff today. Since you can repair it, it's maybe low tech. I agree to that, but as I said, it just still works after such a long time, and I really like the design of that. And that, I guess it's a phosphorus, I'm not even sure if I can pronounce that word, display. Looks pretty cool. Of course, nowadays it's not impressing anyone, but you see here, it's just like, it's really, you have to push that, so it's not even heavy, that device. It's just a wonderful and nice machine. As I said before, I repaired it on my own. You'll see in this corner how I did it, and that's a description of the machine. In the description of the video, I will actually put in when that was released. Maybe it's just 40 years old. I don't want to lie about that. As I said, I got it for $1. It maybe has no value. You could actually put that or connect that to a power supply. And as I said, I love to work with that on a daily basis. Could do that with my smartphone, but it has just like that retro feeling to it, working with that machine. So what I'm actually trying to say, if you find something like this on a estate sale, usually they go for $1.50, something like that. Buy them and you can repair them on your own. Here, that's a battery pack which you have to buy from HP, but if you can use a soldering iron, it's actually just 2 points where you have to connect it to the PCB. And don't be scared, these old PCBs, they have huge connection points because that's pretty much low tech here. And then you have a wonderful device like this which maybe works another 100 years. I'm pretty sure the smartphone where I record that video here does not even last that long like that machine, because you cannot replace the batteries. It most likely will break. I have the feeling nowadays they build technology and then on purpose it fails after 5 years that you have to buy a new one. The guys who developed this one, because they were expensive at the time, these calculators, they developed technology which lasts for a long time. So that's my quick review of the Texas Instrument TI 2550. I guess that's Mark II. As always, thanks for watching.